What is negotiation and how to do it well? The idea of negotiation can seem scary. The first thing that usually comes to mind is a job offer, making a large purchase, or settling a legal dispute. Though this is not always the case, we can all agree that having good negotiation skills are very important to learn. How? Let's discuss. Hello guys, my name is Kat, and if you want to know more about this topic, then please keep on watching. We are all involved in different forms of negotiation every single day, from the mundane, like getting your dog to drop that slipper, to the complex, like setting a timeline for a project at work. Good negotiation skills can aid you in all areas of your life, from having a difficult conversation with your roommate to conflict resolution in the workplace. No matter the circumstance, knowing you have a good negotiation strategy in your back pocket will bring you confidence and peace of mind. What is negotiation? At the fundamental level, negotiation is a conversation between or among the persons involved to satisfy everyone. Unlike conflict resolution, which is more open-ended and often spontaneously arising, the negotiation process tends to be planned, more narrowly defined around one central issue, and follows a more formal back-and-forth structure. That being said, negotiation can be masked as everyday issues. For example, deciding who's going to do the cleaning. That is a negotiated agreement among roommates. So why must we engage in a negotiation? Though it can sound formal or stuffy, negotiation is a handy tool. Creating distance among the people involved in the negotiation might seem strange by calling it what it is instead of keeping things more informal and loose. But approaching dispute resolution this way can also be freeing. Since negotiations require a certain amount of transparency, it can be easier to plainly state your desired outcome and understand more clearly where the other parties are coming from. The purpose is not to win, but to find a solution that is acceptable to everyone. Everyone has various strengths and weaknesses and varied communication skills. Leveraging yours can help you figure out how to approach a negotiation, which will in turn give you confidence. Here are steps for adequate negotiation preparation. First of all, know where you stand. Sometimes issues of significant importance in our lives come with primary emotions that can take some time to untangle. Before you negotiate, ensure you take some time to reflect upon your stand. If you're interviewing for a job and know the salary negotiation topic will come up, make sure you fully understand your budget and what you can and can't afford. If you're meeting with your roommates to decide how to split chores, spend a little time thinking about which tasks you hate and which you don't mind doing. Secondly, observe the other party's position. Next, devote some time to understanding the other party's point of view and their desired outcome. Again, if you're interviewing for a job and you're about to negotiate the salary, think about what industry the job is in, how big the company is, and how profitable they are. Also, try to guess what kind of number they might throw out. Then practice potential ways to handle the different scenarios you might encounter. The same goes for doling out chores. If you already know your roommates a little bit, imagine what types of cleaners they might be and prepare potential responses so that you can answer from a place of strength and confidence versus stress or defeat. Thirdly, open your mind. Negotiations aren't just about deal-making. They're also about learning to understand the other party. You won't reach a win-win deal unless you genuinely take the time to empathize with the other side. Doing so can help you find a solution that not only satisfies you, but brings you to some common ground. While everyone has their own negotiation styles, a few strategies work in most situations. Fourth is about stating your needs and wants clearly. Nothing derails a negotiation faster than wishy-washy rhetoric. So make sure you know what you want, state it simply without fluff or apology. Then stick to it throughout the conversation. This isn't to say you can't ever change your mind. You may compromise in one way or another, but keeping your word can help the conversation flow smoothly and prevent people from feeling overwhelmed. Fifth one is to listen and understand what the other person is saying. Let the other person know you understand their side by showing empathy and practicing active listening. Everyone should be clearly understood and taken seriously, and restating what they've told you indicates you value that. Next is to give the problem a name. To avoid finger pointing and promote teamwork, it can help to point out that the problem is almost the third party in the negotiation. Both of you may want different things, but have one problem that you both want to solve. Naming that problem can help you feel more aligned. Now, take some time to think things over. You don't have to agree to anything immediately. As long as you don't slack off and take too long to get back to someone with an answer, there's no harm in asking if you can take time to think about your decision. What if it doesn't work? If the negotiation has been ongoing for a while and you haven't reached an agreement, it may be a good idea to table the conversation for another time. Usually, with some space and time comes more clarity. Make sure you schedule a follow-up meeting to discuss the issue. It can also help to have a backup plan. For instance, if your roommate isn't willing to make walking your dog a part of the weekly chore rotation, ensure you have the funds to hire a dog walker. You must also accept the fact that you will face negotiation constantly. By embracing this truth, we can better our understanding of others, enhance our interpersonal skills, and gain self-knowledge. If you enjoyed watching this video and want to watch more content like this, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be updated on our latest videos. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button below this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.